Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you ready for a smartwatch showdown that could redefine the wearable tech landscape? Brace yourselves because the Garmin FENIX 8 Pro might just be the titan that topples the reigning champion, the Apple Watch Ultra. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's address the elephant in the room: persistent whispers and tantalizing rumors surrounding the Garmin FENIX 8. Now, while the FENIX 7 has undeniably set the bar high for rugged, feature-packed smartwatches, the question on everyone's lips is the FENIX 8 truly on the horizon? And if so, could it be the smartwatch to dethrone the Apple Watch Ultra? Subscribe to my channel, Technology Talks, for the latest tech insights and in-depth reviews. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on the hottest gadgets and gear. Let's unravel the mystery. Recent developments suggest that Garmin is indeed cooking up something special. A Finnish retailer, Multitronic, seemingly leaked details about the FENIX 8, hinting at a September 2024 launch. This isn't just any leak, it's a potential game changer. Imagine a smartwatch that seamlessly blends the rugged durability of the FENIX 7 with the stunning visual appeal of an OLED display. Well, that might soon be a reality. Rumors suggest that the FENIX 8 will ditch the tried-and-true MIP screen in favor of a vibrant OLED panel. This could elevate the smartwatch experience to new heights, offering richer colors, sharper details, and better visibility in various lighting conditions. But that's not all. The FENIX 8 is rumored to come in 3 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every wrist. And with color options like slate gray, steel, and black, you can effortlessly match your smartwatch to your style. However, the real question is, can the FENIX 8 truly challenge the dominance of the Apple Watch Ultra? The Ultra has carved a niche for itself as the ultimate adventure watch with its rugged design, advanced features, and impressive battery life. To compete, the FENIX 8 will need to bring its A game. So what can we expect from the FENIX 8? Well, an AMOLED screen is a fantastic start, but we also crave enhancements in other key areas. A more accurate heart rate sensor would be a game changer, providing valuable insights into our fitness levels and overall well-being. And let's not forget about the allure of AI integration. Imagine having a smartwatch that learns your habits, suggests optimal workout routines, and even helps you plan your adventures. The prospect of a solar-powered Garmin FENIX 8 using Garmin's Power Glass technology is an exciting development for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. Power Glass, which is already featured in some of Garmin's other watches, is a transparent solar charging layer embedded in the watch face. This allows the device to harness solar energy throughout the day, extending battery life. Integrating this technology into the FENIX 8, particularly if it features an AMOLED display, could significantly enhance the watch's longevity between charges. OLED displays are known for their vivid colors, deep contrast, and power efficiency. However, they typically consume more energy than the traditional memory and pixel (MIP) displays used in previous Garmin watches. Combining Power Glass with OLED could offset this increased energy demand, enabling the FENIX 8 to maintain a brilliant, high-resolution display without sacrificing battery performance. For users embarking on long, demanding expeditions where charging opportunities are limited, this combination would be a game changer. The FENIX 8 could potentially offer an extended battery life, making it ideal for activities like multi-day hikes, mountaineering, or extended outdoor training. Solar charging would ensure that the watch remains functional in environments where access to electricity is limited, giving users confidence that their device will last the entire duration of their adventure. If Garmin succeeds with this fusion of AMOLED and solar technology, the FENIX 8 could set a new standard for durability and performance in the smartwatch market. As we eagerly anticipate the arrival of the FENIX 8, that's it for now. For more updates, kindly subscribe to my channel, Technology Talks. I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.